Hi guys, this is Level Crossing fan here, and this level crossing is at Macaulay Road in Kensington. Okay, the metro train is pulling into Kensington station. And yeah, you can hear this e-bell here, it's sounding really scratchy and really quiet. But yeah, it's still better than an adjusted Type 1 or a Type 2 e-bell. And my camera's not focusing too well. Oh, there we go, it's focusing now. Yeah, bloody not a very good day today in Melbourne. Alright, the metro train's now departing Kensington station. Might be another one coming. The boom gate should have gone up by now. Oh, someone's just gone through. Oh, there's another one, you bloody ripper! Yeah, just saw some lady go through the crossing. Yeah, it's not right to do that. Okay, it's now coming up from North Melbourne now. Now they should go up. Let's hope. Look up the line again. So these boom gates should have gone up, but I reckon there's a third one. Yeah, listen to this e-bell, it's really scratchy and quiet. But yeah, good, there's still got the general signals unadjusted Type 1s, but I reckon there's a third one coming. And yeah, traffic's just banking down a long way, down towards the intersection, whatever that intersection is. And yeah, they're back quite a long way up down that way. So yeah, this crossing should have been put on the removal list. You can see more than one train. And at the moment, looks like we're going to see a third. Oh, I think it's a freight train. Let's hope, fingers crossed. Because it's not a metro train, I can tell by the horn. Oh, it's a V-Line N class. Oh my god, 3 trains, you bloody ripper! Now the boom gate should go up after 3 trains. What's it going to be? There we go, they're going up. About bloody time. That took ages. Yeah, look at how far the traffic's back down. They're like near the Macaulay Road North Melbourne crossing, and they're back quite a long way up there. But the V-Line N class train's going down to North Melbourne now. I thought it might have been a freight train, but no, it wasn't. But yeah, the crossing's still unchanged since I last filmed it in April. And anyway guys, my next crossing is Macaulay Road North Melbourne, just down the road there.